Navigating between sections. To launch the demo project, select Open Demo in the main menu. You will see the pane of sections on the left-hand side of your screen. The sections are grouped in folders. Simply click on the plus or minus sign on the left of the folder to open or collapse it. The folders BMX, BMY, and BMZ are present by default. All sections are grouped in a folder called Section, if no folder is specified during section creation. The BMX, Y, or Z folders contain sections on slices that are perpendicular to the global grid of the block model. Each section is centered on the middle of the blocks and has the same thickness as the blocks in that direction of view. To change the section, simply click on the desired section. It is possible to navigate through the sections using the arrow keys or the mouse wheel while holding Shift or Control keys. If you click in the main window, it is possible to navigate through the last section by pressing Backspace and Shift Backspace. By pressing the Tab key, you can visualize section frames. If you are in section selection mode, double-click on the desired part of the section to display its tooltip. Choose Jump to Section to go directly to that section. Press Backspace to return to the previous section. You will notice that the yellow colored polygon corresponds to the current section. Editing sections. You can access the modification window of the component sections by performing a right-click on the desired section and choosing Modify from the context menu. You can also double-click on the frame of the desired section to display its tooltip and choose Modify Section. The name of the section is preceded by the name of the file. If the file name field is empty, the section will be placed by default in the folder titled Section. Selecting number format ensures that the section name always contains the defined number of digits. The anchor point defines the section position in space. The azimuth and dip angles define the vantage direction in the geodesic sphere, and thickness is defined by the front and back values. Section creation during rotation mode. When you are in spin mode, it is possible to create a section from your current view. The anchor point corresponds to the center of rotation, which is a small red textured cube in the center of the screen. The angle will be determined as a function of the current view. Simply click on the Create button in the section menu. Section creation, tracing. It is possible to create a section perpendicular to the current section by selecting Create, Create Section from the General Context menu. The mouse pointer becomes your pencil. Click the central position for the desired section and drag your mouse to draw a framework of the new section. The infinite line indicates the vantage direction for the section. Later, you can always assign a section name, folder name, and corridor size. A 0 value for the front corridor or back corridor signifies an infinite corridor in that direction. To exit the creation of section mode, press the Escape key. Creating groups of sections. Click the Section Property button within the Sections panel to access the dialog box for groups of sections. Double-click on any section in the list. This section will become your section template. Adjust the number of placeholder digits for the section names. Click on the Section Wizard button. The Create Section Group dialog box will appear. You must specify the prefix of your new sections, the starting number, the increment size, and the total number of desired sections. It is also possible to add predefined sections by clicking the Predefined Sections button. You simply check the desired sections in the list. Press the Shift key to select or deselect a group of continuous sections. Modifying groups of sections. In the Section Group dialog box, it is possible to select multiple sections and delete them. Remove selected. You can also choose on the options Apply Same that enables the implementation of certain parameters from a particular section to a set of sections. For example, Apply Same View to copies the view space to create a tunnel view through sections.